Looking to make a professional looking video, perhaps to animate your logo or make a cool product promotion? I'm going to show you a video template tool that I love and use quite a bit, and it doesn't actually require any video editing skills. But first, if you're new here, my name is Michelle and I've been in the marketing game for close to 20 years now, and I love to share what I've learned and the tools that I use with other entrepreneurs. Before we take a look at Videobolt, if this info resonates with you or if you find it helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. And if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. Okay, let's make some cool videos. Okay, so if you saw that cool video, that is what you can do with Videobolt. And so I kind of stumbled upon this when I was in need of a client had asked me if I could animate their logo, and I was like, maybe. So I started looking for tools out there that maybe could do that for me. And I found Videobolt, and then I've been using it a lot ever since. And it's really cool because it's just templates that you can plug in. So for example, you can search their templates. If you want to like browse all that they have to offer, you can filter it for exactly what you're looking for. So in an instance of if I want a 16:9 landscape video, I can click on that. If I know that maybe I'm looking for an intro that's only, 0 to 15 seconds, I can click those. And then if I'm looking for video type, like the intro, if I'm looking for that logo animation thing, I can see what they have. And so if you hover over these, you can start to see what different things look like. And usually it's kind of some sort of logo reveal that they have. I've also used this for a lot of like slideshows, and I'll show you an example of a slideshow that I did for like a website intro video for background, which I thought was really cool. So to show you how easy this is, we're just going to pick a logo to animate. Let's go with this electric one. It'll be easy enough. So you choose your video, and you can hear that it has music. And so you can actually have for the different templates, they have different sizes, available formats that you could do. We're just going to do the 16:9, and then I will hit edit. You can give the project a name. So we'll do logo animation for this one. We'll hit create new project. And then all you have to do is add your media. So if you've got photos, if you have videos that you want to make look cool, if you have audio tracks, you can just add those in. It is a template though, so you can't really like go above and beyond and really customize it. You kind of have to work with what you're given. So I will also say too, let's say you don't want the audio track, you can hide those things, and all you have to do is you can click on the muted, and then that will get rid of the audio track for you. You can do the same too for if you really don't want the logo to show up, you could click on that, and when you click add, you can turn that hidden visibility off so that if you just don't want it to populate, you can. But I say, why not just utilize what we got? And I will unmute that. Okay, so I'm just going to add a logo. I'm going to add, the nice thing is that they have a library. So all the assets that you upload over time does stay in your library. You can also use a brand kit. This kind of looks like maybe it's a new feature. So I'm just going to add my logo from the media library. Okay, so that's uploading right now. I also have the option to add a tagline. So I can enter in my text. If I want that to be my website, maybe that's just michelleTheCreator.com. We'll hit save. As you enter in the assets, it will populate so that you can preview what it looks like. It kind of gives you a low res preview of here so we can see what that looks like. You also have a little bit of options to customize. So if it's the color palette that you want to change, if this is just too blue and you want to try something else, maybe we see how far we can take it with a few pinks, because why not? And we can keep that gray and see what that looks like. And so if I just hit play, that will show you the logo animation there. They do have themes that are uploaded for you. So if you don't have specific colors and you just kind of want to use what they have out of the box, we could go purple too. And you just click on that. You can like apply the purple logo and it will show you what that looks like again. But if you like it and you're ready to go, then all you have to do is hit produce and download. And then the tier that I have, I'm just using the 720p at the 24 frames per second. It works for me. I think it's fine. And it will just process your video and then allow you to download it. And so you can make as many as you want per month. We can take a look at the pricing next. I do think it's pretty reasonable for pricing. I'd say if this isn't something that you're going to use all the time, probably go to the monthly subscription, and that way you can just buy a month at a time for whatever you need. If it is a tool that you think you're going to use a lot, then you can actually save money if you do the yearly subscription. So things to think about, but it's just a way to make some really cool videos without having to know how to make them from scratch, which I think is the best. So we'll let this finish, and then once it finishes, I can preview it. And then I have the ability to download an MP4. If I wanted the MOV file, I could upgrade and get that as well. So let's take a look at, I'm just going to hit exit out of this. Going to shout out a couple more things. The tools, I just found this out. They have an extension for Adobe. So I haven't played around with that, but that really excites me because apparently you can take this workflow into like Premiere Pro, which I actually do use a lot for video editing. So I think this could be a really fun thing to play with. Don't know much about it yet, but if I think it's cool enough, I'll make a video on it. And then just to give you a look at the pricing, the yearly, $9.99 a month for, this is actually the tier that I have, $24.99 a month if you wanted the upgrades, which is the MOV files and the higher resolution. But just to take a look at the monthly, $14.99 a month. If you just need to make a couple videos and you just want to pay a month at a time, I'd say this is reasonable pricing for what you need. So let me show you a quick look of what I made for a client of mine. So this video intro was just using one of the templates. I took the music out and then I just used the assets that the client had. So whether it was different videos or photographs, or I did a mixture of both, I was able to plug those in and make a really cool, engaging video that I think brought the site a little bit of life. So a cool use case that you can implement if you think Videobolt is going to work for you. So let me know what you think. Is this something you're going to try? I think it's very easy to use. And so if you're looking for quick solutions to make cool stuff, I think Videobolt has you covered. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.